Hey guys, it's your moving expert, Daniel Rosado here. I want to go over about a few moving things that you probably didn't know. So let's go. Tip 1, moving is actually one of the stressful parts of your life. It goes right up there with divorce or even new things like getting a brand new job. It's always very, very important to know what you're doing and what you're getting into before you move. But at the same time, it's easier to have people help you. Friends, family members, anybody that can, because at the end of the day, you want to make this as less stressful as possible.
Moving tips.
Fact 2, did you know that the average person will move more than 10 times in their life? That's about 40 million Americans a year. This is more than the population of our largest state, California. Fact 3, majority of all the moving times that happen are in between May and September. Usually, if you want to do stuff like this, you have to make sure you get movers in advance. Don't wait to the last minute and never wait for the time period where it's too busy. You want to make sure you make your move very smooth and possible. Fact 4, Friday is the most popular moving day. Obviously, if you want to go and use this day, you're probably going to have more hardships and it'll take longer time. You should try to use at least during the week something that will be easier for you and be less time consuming and obviously less money. Fact 5, many moving companies can pack your possessions. It's always better to have a moving company to pack all your stuff, not only because of the assurance of that your stuff will get there properly and unbroken, but at the same time releases nothing but stress on you, and then just the relativity of having all your stuff done right.
Moving tips.
Fact 6, there's no need to buy boxes. If you hire a moving company, most of the time, everything is included, whether it be packing material, tape, boxes, shrink wrap, and all sorts of stuff like that. And at the same time, you can always ask family or friends to help you with some packing material or boxes to make your move a little bit easier. Fact 7, moving involves a lot of stuff. Did you know that the average household moves between 6,000 to 6,500 pounds? You know what that is? That's the weight of an elephant, a baby elephant at that. This is something that you don't want to deal with. At the same time, why don't you just have a sale? Sell some of your things, give it to a few friends. Make the move a little bit easier and less weight. Fact 8, at least 82% of people would like to live or usually live in urban settings. That's about 473.8 million people that choose to live in cities rather than live in suburban areas.
Holy sh! I didn't do it! Holy sh!
Fact 9, one of the largest reasons of why people do their moves, usually is job relation. 40% of all Americans move because of job convenience. 42 do it because of the neighborhood and where they're at least 18% doing it because of government or if not other services. Fact 10, moving with a local company will obviously be less than you renting a truck by yourself. You renting a truck by yourself, obviously you have to cover tax, gases, obviously material, packaging, boxes. If you move with a mobile company, it's obviously saving you money for the long run, and obviously insurance-wise covers your items the same way. These are things that you want to relate to before you actually get a job. Fact 11, close to 62% of people that live in the United States usually live in the state they were born in. Florida is one of the lowest percentage of people that actually live there and stay there. Okay guys, these were a few moving facts that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope it's helpful for you in every way possible. If you have any other new moving facts, please comment on this. And as also, if you like the video, hit a like up, and if you can, please subscribe. And as always, good luck with your move.